Take grids and rulers that shows center of the canvas. Select Pen tool. Create a leaf shape. Press Ctrl+Enter to make selection. Fill it with a solid color. Reduce the size and adjust it at the top center. Press Ctrl+T. Change the anchor point and bring it to center. Set the angle to 15 degrees. Press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T to duplicate the shape along the angle. Select all the layers and group them. You can use this shape in different projects. Hope you have liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe.